Now we'll have a music performance by the students of Tbian Sur Hara, Seng Khasi Kmie Performing Arts School. They will be performing the Seng Khasi anthem, Jingduwai, Prayer of the Land. This song carries a very important message for all of humanity, and I'll read out the first verse and the last verse, the English translation by Kong Bijoya Sauyan. Flowers of this land of ours, they bloom and emit their fragrance to worship the Creator. They bloom and emit their fragrance to worship the Creator. With mankind too, so many races He has created. Each has his culture and tradition to glorify the Creator. Each has his culture and tradition to glorify the Creator.